Okay, he just TC'd into a car, and then he backed into a police shooter. We now have 45 on a police shooter.
For this demo, I'm going to leave the shackle open. It's the first dimple lock I've ever picked or tried to pick, so.
Don't you throw you under arrest. Because that was a crack pipe. Put your hands behind your back.
There we have it. The Yale high security dimple lock picked, as you can see. It's picked. I picked it without the shackle being locked, just due to the how fragile this pick is. This pick and this lock and this mat were sent to me by a fellow YouTube picker who not only sent me these items but also walked me through picking it. So thank you very much. You know who you are. And peace. Don't break the law. And above all, have fun. Oh, Keys says, yo yo.
Suspect involved in grand theft of a motor vehicle of some kind is supposed to be on scene.